Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear cache and, thanks to it, speed up the device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the apps. So the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are using frequently or those which have the most storage occupied. So let me go to maybe Google. Just tap on the specific app, and here we have to scroll down to go to the storage. And as you can see, here we've got this cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply remove the cache. So simply tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, do it for all of those apps, so you will release a lot of memory. And after that, after this full removing cache option, I highly recommend to soft reset your device or force restart it. Simply just press the power button and volume down button together. Not really once, because you will make a screenshot, but you have to press it long enough simultaneously at the same time. It's really finally, it's really tricky because of the position of those buttons. Here just tap on restart option and your device will be automatically powered on and powered off again, and this operation will I would say confirm all of the changes made in this app section. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.